On August 25, 2024, at least 21 civilians, including 11 children, were killed in airstrikes on the village of Tinzaountain in northern Mali, near the Algerian border. The attacks targeted a pharmacy and then struck people gathering nearby. This marked the deadliest incident for civilians since the collapse of peace agreement between the Malian military junta and pro-independence groups in northern Mali happened. This includes the Tuareg Majority Coalition, known as the Strategic Framework for the Defense of the People of Azawad is a coalition of Tuareg majority groups fighting for the independence for northern Mali, which they call Azawad. Now the coalition condemned the strikes, reporting significant casualties and damage. On this, Mohammed Imanulaud Ramadan, a spokesperson for the coalition, described the attack as criminal and detailed the toll, including dozens of wounded and extensive damage. The Azawad conflict referred to a series of armed struggles in northern Mali, centered around the demands for independence or greater autonomy by various Tuareg and Islamist groups. The conflict escalated in early 2012 when Tuareg rebels who had returned from fighting in Libya seized control of northern Mali. Whereafter they declared the independence of Azawad, which led to a power vacuum and the subsequent rise of Islamic groups in the region. Now, as the incident happened in Mali, the Mali's armed forces confirmed the airstrikes, asserting that they were targeting terrorists. The strikes followed recent defeats of the Malian army and Russian Wagner. The strikes follow recent defeats of the Malian army and Russian Wagner group, mercenaries by Tuareg rebels and fighters from Jamaat Nusrat al-Islam wal Muslimin, an Al-Qaeda linked group. Rida Al-Armani from the Policy Center for the New South noted that with weakened group presence, airstrikes, including those harming civilians, are likely to increase as the retaliatory measure. The conflict remains complex, involving a mix of local grievances, ethnic tensions, and international geopolitics. While there have been periods of relative calm, the situation in northern Mali, including Azawad, continues to be fragile and subject to frequent changes in security dynamics.